Meanwhile, look at this. The big board shows a drop of 87 points on the Dow Industrials. We've got about an even split between winners and losers among the Dow 30, but we are holding above 26,000. Look who is here. The ultimate mega bear on this entire planet, Dan Shaffer. He's the Shaffer Asset Management CEO. I'm not going to be real nasty, but you, sir, have been totally wrong. And if I followed your advice, I'd have missed out on a whopping great big gain. What do you have to say for yourself?
You're absolutely right. I've been wrong on the equity side.
Yeah, well, that's what counts on this program.
Not the food side, not
that's
on the
what
currency
counts
side.
on this program.
Well, that's true. That's true. But let me say something here.
Go.
The market is now at extremes in weighted areas of internals that I look at. Remember, we talk about cross-market correlation. I'm going to keep it real simple. The spread between the 10-year yield and the 2-year yield continues to collapse since last time I was here to 2007 levels. The same with the 30 versus the 10 and the 30 versus... So that's a very negative sign. Also, with the Commitment of Traders report that comes out every Friday, the smart money is heavily long the 10-year Treasury, and I can't figure out why. They're heavily short the euro. Well, I got an answer for this. Heavily short the euro. They're short gold. They're heavily short crude oil. They're at extremes on the relative strength of the S&P index. Now, put it all together. What's happening? What's happening is that the dollar...
What's happening is we've got a whopping great rally in the stock market. That's what's happening.
But we're on the tail end of it right here. I'm telling you that we're looking at... I'll tell you why.
When do we go down?
The dollar is weakened right now.
Okay. When do we go down?
I said in January, February is going to be a drop in the market, which we probably will get here. And then people buy that dip. It will try to move up into April or May area, and then it will be down. That's it. It's over. The game is over. The news is all built in. Even the stock that you own, the growth of that stock's earnings versus where the stock price is way out of line. So eventually this has to correct. Now, Bitcoin is setting us up for the volatility. Tuesday we were down 263.
I don't care.
Yes, I'm interested in your forecast,
I'm interested in your forecast, which so far you've gotten wrong. You're now saying that in January and February we'll have a dip.
Yes.
People will buy the dip, it'll go back up again, and that's the moment when everybody sells
that will be the end. And the banks will lead this down.
Okay.
The banks will be the ones.
Okay, I'm going to leave it at that.
Okay, great. I'll be back.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
You got 2 minutes of my airtime right there.
That's all I get?
That's all you get.
You know, it takes me an hour and a half to get here.
But when you're right, you'll have 3 minutes.
Okay, thank you, Stuart.
All right, Shaffer, all right.